Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, we will explore the difference between formal and informal requests in English. Understanding when and how to use each style is essential for communicating effectively in different situations. Whether you are speaking to your boss, a teacher, a friend, or a family member, the way you make a request matters. Let's start by learning what makes a request formal or informal. Formal requests are used in professional and respectful situations. When you need something from your boss, a teacher, a client, or someone you do not know well, you use formal language. Common examples include, "Would you please help me with this project?" This shows respect and politeness. "Could you possibly review my report?" This is appropriate in a workplace setting. "And may I ask you a question?" This is very formal and shows great respect. Formal requests demonstrate professionalism and courtesy. Informal requests are used with people you know well, like friends and family. These are casual and relaxed. "Can you help me with this?" You would say this to a friend. "Can you pass the salt?" You would ask this at home during dinner. "Can you grab me a coffee?" You might ask this to a close colleague in a casual workplace. The word "can you" is the most common way to make informal requests. It is simple, direct, and shows comfort with the person you are speaking to. Now let's compare the two main request phrases directly. "Would you" is formal and polite, used in professional and respectful contexts. "Can you" is casual and informal, used with friends and people you know well. Both phrases ask someone to do something, but they create different impressions. "Would you" shows respect and distance. "Can you" shows familiarity and comfort. Choosing the right phrase depends on your relationship with the person and the situation you are in. Let's look at how the same request changes based on who you are talking to. If you want to ask someone to help you, in an office or professional setting, you would say, "Would you mind helping me?" This is formal and appropriate for a workplace. With friends or in a casual setting, you would simply say, "Can you help me?" Both requests ask for the same thing, but the level of politeness is different. This shows how important context is when making requests in English. Here is another example to practice. If you want someone to open a window at work or in a meeting, you would say, "Could you open the window, please?" The word "could" makes it even more polite than "would." In a home or casual setting with friends, you would say, "Can you open the window?" Again, both requests ask for the same action, but the formal version shows more respect and politeness. The informal version is friendly and direct. So when should you use formal requests? Use "would you" or "could you" when speaking to your boss, teachers, clients, or in business meetings and official situations. When should you use informal requests? Use "can you" with friends and family, at home in casual settings, or with close colleagues in a relaxed environment. Remember, using the right level of politeness shows respect and good manners. It helps you communicate better and make a good impression. Now it is time to practice. Try to create formal requests for these situations. Ask someone to send you an email using "would you" or "could you." Ask your manager for extra time on a task, making sure to sound polite and respectful. Now try informal requests. Ask a friend to carry your bag using "can you." Ask your roommate to wash the dishes, keeping your tone casual and friendly. Practice makes perfect. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they will feel.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.